Good morning, vlog. And good morning, bags. You did me for 9 days or 10 days, I don't know, through the Netherlands to Rotterdam, Delft, and places, and Amsterdam, and DruppelCon, which was awesome and really fun. But now we must call on you again. Because while DruppelCon and the Netherlands was awesome and I had an amazing time, and I got back yesterday, I had to quickly wash clothes, change my bags, because today I'm traveling again after my next adventure. This is my life is crazy. Like, I get back from a 10-day trip to the Netherlands, and the next day, as soon as I get back, I'm off again. Well, I am at the train station, and I am just awaiting a train. So I am boarding a LNER train that started its journey in Aberdeen, and it's heading all the way to London King's Cross. But I am only taking it 2 stops to Edinburgh, into the city centre, and then I will be changing onto a Virgin Trains service to London Euston, and I will be alighting, I'll be travelling almost all the way and alighting at Coventry later on this afternoon into early evening, and then taking a local West Midlands train from Coventry to Leamington Spa, and the LNER train is just about to arrive. I am using my 2 backpacks again thing going on here with my string bag and my backpack on my back, and it's a lot lighter than it was going to the Netherlands, because going to the Netherlands I had like 9-10 days worth of clothes and stuff, whereas like I'm only going down, I only need like 4 days worth of clothes, 4 or 5 days, so it's a bit lighter. I'm in on board the LNER train. Standard first class. Alright, I made it to Waverley in Edinburgh. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm super hungry. I could wait and just get food on the Virgin train, but I am really quite hungry, so I'm gonna do that now. And then I don't know, but I'm gonna see if my first class ticket on Virgin trains will get me into the LNER lounge. I don't really have time to enjoy the lounge, but just to see what happens. I decided just to board the train, because there's no point in trying to go to the lounge. Oh, the views to go down through the Scottish borders are really nice. Some really nice like scenery and hills. Yes, this is nice seat from here. Oh. Carlisle. It's kind of wet outside. I'm gonna need to get a thumbnail. Okay, so we're maybe about halfway through the journey.
Making my way to the train shortly, just joined me as recently. I think it's available, please. Ticket check taking place, both joining the crest.
So the table space is pretty good here. You get a nice little thing for coffees and stuff here. And I've got some Sprite, but I do have my reusable water bottle and reusable cup. The legroom is pretty good, and of course this is a single seat area, which there's not that many of them. But you can see there is a double aisle seat, and there's of course your traditional 2 table seating as well. Which I guess you could hang something up. The seats are fairly comfortable, although I think LNER first class seating is a little bit more comfortable in bigger seats. Actually, I think the tables on the LNER may be a little bit bigger, at least the single ones. I also think I prefer the cabin decor on the LNER trains, but this is still nice. It's more of a bluey themed, whereas the LNER is more red themed. Now I'm travelling down on a weekend, and much like on LNER, they don't serve hot food on the weekends, they just serve like pre-packaged food. So I will probably get something in a bit because I had lunch before I boarded the train. So I'm waiting until the evening service. So I got a fruit box, egg and chive pretzel roll, and it was the only vegetarian option they had that I thought was, well, something that I wanted. Okay, I mean it's cute, like the roll thing, and don't know what that is. And a strawberry looking yogurt. Not bad, I suppose. We found that this is like some kind of flapjack thing. It's alright. The little roll was okay too. Thanks train. So I made it to Coventry. I was supposed to connect onto a West Midlands train service to Leamington Spa. Unfortunately, this train, the Virgin train, was delayed a bit, so I missed that, so I'm going to have to wait on my connection for the next train, which is in like an hour. You know, my impression of Coventry train station is that it's very higgledy-piggledy and has that classic like 60s, 70s building feel about it. Like, it's just very, I don't know. If you're from the UK, you'll know what I mean, like 60s, 70s, don't really care about what it looks like. Do it just cheapest possible building style. Okay, so I just boarded a cross-country train that will take me to Leamington Spa. It's like not long at all. But this cross-country train, being cross-country, has first class. So I could do a very quick review of cross-country first class. Because like, my original train I was going to be on was the West Midlands train, and that doesn't have first class. So, here we go. Luggage rack. Seating like that. Seating like this. Seating with tables. Good legroom. And that is your comprehensive review of cross-country first class. Hey all, thanks for watching the vlog. If you'd like to hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow the Facebook page. This vlog was delayed by like a month and a half, and between filming and now, the West Coast franchise has been transferred from Virgin Trains to Avanti West Coast, so it's kind of funny, but nonetheless, there's the video, and thanks for watching. And the next vlog you will see me do some cool stuff down south.